welcome back to my channel. I'm Paris of Face Paint with Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this really fun Halloween design. So if you'd like to learn how to do it, stay tuned. To begin, I use my tag split cake in orange and yellow and loaded up my brush really good. First, you want to draw a center focal point and draw lines connecting to that focal point with orange on the inside and yellow on the outside because we want this design to be really dimensional. Then do the same thing on the top. And if there's too much wetness on your design, you want to daub it off before we stencil. I just grabbed some black and I'm stenciling on a pumpkin, some bats, and a spider. You can hand draw these, of course. This design is really meant to be about 3 minutes on the job. So anything that we can use to cut corners. So then I picked up some white and did teardrop shapes because we're going to make a spider web. And then you want to connect those lines with the actual webbing. And pick up your black again to add some detail and dimension to those lines. For this design, I chose to do some swirls and curls. You can go crazy or you can not put any, but I chose to just do a few. Then I picked up my homemade glitter gel. This is the gold one. A DIY video, that coming soon. And then with a cotton swab, I put on some in my iridescent glitter, and you're done. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Definitely like and subscribe.